Using Canva inside the sheet, we can add dates like this, and we can also format this as our own way. So if we click here, we'll see a date or calendar menu is popped up, and from here we can choose any date. For example, here like this way we can change the date. So let's see how we can add this type of calendar in our sheets. This is on blank sheet, and for example here I want to add a calendar. At first we need to select the cell, and then we have to click actions, and then it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to scroll down till you find date, and once we click here the date will be inserted. That means this cell is now treated as a date, and if we click here the calendar will be popped up, and from here we can choose a date. For example 10th April, for example, we can choose the date like this way. And if we want to customize this outlook like April 10 2025, if you want to change the format, we can also do that thing. To do this thing, at first we need to click here, I mean the cell, and then here there is like format. We have to click here number format, and it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to go more formats. I'm going to click here, and the formats window will be open on the left side, and here we are seeing three formats are there under date format: month, day, comma, year, and this way. That means month, date, Monday. That means it is the month, and 10 is the day, and year. If you want to choose some other format, it is also available. We can also choose this one. We can also modify the format of this date, or we can choose this one, which is month and year. In this way we can easily add a date inside our Canva sheet.